Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The Apple iPhone SE 4 is poised to disrupt the smartphone landscape, redefining the budget-friendly segment with cutting-edge technology at an affordable price. Boasting a stunning 6.1-inch Retina HD display, the iPhone SE 4 delivers vibrant colors and crisp visuals, while its durable glass design ensures longevity. Powered by the A17 Bionic chip, this device provides lightning-fast processing, efficient battery life, and enhanced AI capabilities. The dual-camera setup features an advanced 12MP primary sensor, improved portrait mode, and enhanced low-light performance. Running on iOS 17, the iPhone SE 4 offers a streamlined interface, advanced security features, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. By combining top-tier performance, innovative features, and affordability, the iPhone SE 4 revolutionizes the budget-friendly smartphone market, making premium technology accessible to all. The Apple iPhone SE 4 is poised to disrupt the smartphone landscape, redefining the budget-friendly segment with cutting-edge technology at an affordable price. Boasting a stunning 6.1-inch Retina HD display, the iPhone SE 4 delivers vibrant colors and crisp visuals, while its durable glass design ensures longevity. Powered by the A17 Bionic chip, this device provides lightning-fast processing, efficient battery life, and enhanced AI capabilities. The dual-camera setup features an advanced 12MP primary sensor, improved portrait mode, and enhanced low-light performance. Running on iOS 17, the iPhone SE 4 offers a streamlined interface, advanced security features, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. By combining top-tier performance, innovative features, and affordability, the iPhone SE 4 revolutionizes the budget-friendly smartphone market, making premium technology accessible to all. The A18 Bionic chip takes center stage, delivering unparalleled processing power and lightning-fast performance. With its 6-core CPU architecture, 4-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, this cutting-edge processor effortlessly handles demanding tasks, from gaming and multitasking to browsing and beyond. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, seamless multitasking and app switching become the norm, allowing for effortless navigation between multiple apps, reduced lag, and enhanced overall system responsiveness. This powerhouse combination redefines smartphone performance, empowering users to explore demanding apps and games, experience unparalleled responsiveness, and unlock new possibilities in mobile computing. Whether gaming, working, or browsing, the A18 Bionic chip and 8 GB RAM deliver a transformative mobile experience. The iPhone SE 4 revolutionizes mobile photography with its impressive camera setup. The 48MP primary sensor, paired with advanced optics and enhanced image processing, captures stunning, detailed images while supporting 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. The 12MP front-facing camera, equipped with TrueDepth technology, delivers exceptional selfies and video calls. Complementing its photographic prowess, the iPhone SE 4 boasts a long-lasting 3,279 mAh battery, ensuring all-day connectivity. With fast charging, up to 18W, and wireless charging capabilities, users can rapidly recharge their battery and enjoy extended talk time, internet browsing, and photography sessions without worrying about power drain. This seamless blend of camera excellence and battery life makes the iPhone SE 4 an ideal choice for photography enthusiasts and heavy users alike. The iPhone SE 4 masterfully blends style and durability, boasting a sleek design, premium glass front and rear, and a sturdy aerospace-grade aluminum frame. With an IP68 rating, it withstands water and dust up to 4 meters for 30 minutes, ensuring longevity. Remarkably, this flagship-level device is priced competitively, offering unparalleled value. Apple's commitment to affordability doesn't compromise on quality, granting access to exclusive features, future-proof technology, and seamless ecosystem integration. The iPhone SE 4 redefines the budget-friendly segment, delivering premium design, durability, and performance at an unbeatable price. Whether upgrading or joining the Apple ecosystem, this device is an exceptional choice for those seeking power and affordability. The iPhone SE 4's release date remains shrouded in mystery, but rumors hint at a mid-March 2025 launch. As the tech world eagerly awaits, Apple is poised to revolutionize the budget smartphone market. With its impressive specs, stunning 6.1-inch Retina HD display, and powerful A18 Bionic chip performance, This device caters to a wide range of users. From first-time owners to budget-conscious consumers, photography enthusiasts, and gamers, the iPhone SE4's versatility knows no bounds. Its seamless multitasking, efficient battery life, and fast charging make it an attractive option. Stay tuned for pre-order details and availability in your region to experience the future of smartphones. Apple's strategic mid-March release will capitalize on the post-holiday season market, setting the tone for the year. Are you excited about the iPhone SE4? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below. Join the conversation and interact with fellow tech enthusiasts, discussing predicted features, pricing, and the potential impact on the budget smartphone market. To stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll bring you in-depth analysis, hands-on reviews, and expert insights on the iPhone SE4 and other cutting-edge devices. With breaking news, comparative analyses, and exclusive content, our community is the go-to destination for tech enthusiasts. Follow us on social media and subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve.